You're looking for a light remote control driven, changes the colors and the kelvins and brightens up and dims down to the levels of your needs for a rapid flash or a slow flash. This light may be something that you are looking for. So what we're going to show you is how to set it up and what it's all about. Yo, we have this Jengush light Eclipse. It's 72 hours of runtime and an 8,000 milliamp battery at the brightest level can run up to 8 hours. It's got multiple color schemes, dimness levels, and Kelvin levels from 3,000 to 6,000 Kelvin, remote control driven. I'm going to show you how easy it is to hang up on the wall. On the back is the area where the battery is inside, as well as your hanging area. And over here is your USB-C compliance, made of plastic, metal rim, and a metal front. Nice weight to it, nice design. You get with the product your bracket. Simply take the screws that are provided and anchors, and you're going to drill in onto your wall, or you can simply find an area and self-adhesive the bracket. Once you get the bracket up, I'm going to show you and demonstrate in an actual area of what it actually looks like. The USB-C compliance cable, we have one here already, and we're going to plug it into the bottom of the unit, USB-C. We have a little red indicator that will light up. Give you a nice close-up look as it's charging. It takes a number of hours to charge. When it's fully charged, simply remove the cable and you're ready to use your unit. The unit does not have an on and off switch. It's all ran by the remote control. The remote control is a 2025 battery insert that is replaceable. This is what the remote looks like. So we take our light and we make sure that we're flat this way with the USB-C facing down to the floor. And then we go over to the bracket and we start to fill in by going correctly to the right area. And once we do that and it's locked into the wall, we're ready to go. You give it enough supplies and a spare anchor and screw so you can place onto your wall. So what we're going to do is turn the light on and show you that when we turn it to a different setting and shut it off, it will remember that setting. It's very easy to follow instructions. This is the on and off. These are your 5 color changes and a dimmable area called your lighting area. To raise and increase your kelvins from warm to cool Kelvin, 3,000 to 6,000. And then your RGB colors right here. You can stop the unit, have a fade of the regular colors, and also just the Kelvin colors. Long press to turn on and open. So now let's turn on the light for the first time with the on button. Hit the on button, the light is on. Now we're going to increase and decrease the Kelvin settings. You can see it's getting to a cooler Kelvin. And if you hold on to it, it smoothly and steplessly goes over. This is the 3,000 Kelvin and then the 6,000 Kelvin. We're going to simply go into the solid color modes of red, green, blue, a purplish hot pink color, turquoise, and then we have a stop button, and we have here is going to be a fade button. And this will go through all its colors in a nice, smooth, fluid motion. And then we have the next one, which is just your 3,000 through 6,000 Kelvin. And it breathes nice and slow. And then you have the stop. On the top, if we hit the buttons, we're in the Kelvin of a rapid flash. In a cool rapid flash, red, green, blue. And then we could dim it up or dim it down. We want to stop it, we hit one of the Kelvins. So let's say we're on red and we shut the unit off and we turn the unit back on. It remembers your last memory setting. So let's go hang this up and show you what it looks like in a real area. So we have the Jengush Eclipse light, nicely lit up, showing you what it looks like in the area. With the rapid color flashing, there's no way we could slow it down. It's that speed. But we could choose the colors of the RGB that we want. As we pick the one, and that's what the unit looks like flashing. And then we just pick the radius we want in the color, and then we could decrease the level of lightness and have the lightness level like so. It accents the room wall. It gives a nice glow to it. I'm going to fully shut the lights off so you get to see what it looks like. So the lights are off, and we have here is just the breathing of the Kelvin. And allow this to run through a number of kelvins of the 3000 to 6000. We're going to change it over to the color breathing as this runs smoothly into each of the kelvins. I hope this is the product that you are looking for in your lighting accent needs for your game room, kids' room, by the living room, anywhere where you want to hang up battery-operated lights. You can hang it up on the ceiling to give a nice glow. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.